Hello guys, today we are watching rare in moments in CSGO. Okay, let's start. What the fuck was that? Very nice reflex. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, nice headshot. I can't believe in my eyes. Okay. Yeah. It's very slowly. Nice headshot. What the fuck was that? Oh my god. He is shooting bomb. Yeah. What the f?
No way to hear it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Nice shoot. What the fuck is that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What a teammate. Where are you? I can't see anything. Hello mates. Oh my god. Where are you? What the fuck was that? He can't see anything. They can't see anything. Oh my god, he can't see anything. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, very clean shoot. Very clean shoot. Yeah, oh my god, what is going on? Oh my god, I am losing my mind. Yes, okay. Very nice. Nice shoot, man. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god, what a poor. He killed it in flash. What the fuck was that? Oh my god, nice headshot. He can't. Okay, he's waiting, but he's killing. Oh my god, he is shooting in the bomb. What the fuck was that? I can't believe it. I can't believe this. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Are you? Oh my, are you kidding me? Is this really? It's impossible for me. Oh my god, very epic moment. Oh my god, like a Superman. Round one. What the fuck? Yeah, okay. Oh my god. Who is killing? Hello mate. Hello mate. What the fuck was that? They can't see anything. Okay bro, go around the left. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? Yeah. It is impossible. It is very impossible. Yeah. What the fuck was that? Very fast. And behind you. Oh my god. Oh my god, what the fuck was that? I am losing my mind. Yeah, okay bro. I'm in the right. Okay. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, very slow man. Very slow man. He is very unlucky. Nice. Oh my god. Very nice shoot. Yes, okay. Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Yeah, what the poor, what the unlucky man. I'm sorry guys. You're unlucky in this game. Yeah? What? Yeah, oh my god, very slow reflex. What? You should take him. Yes, nice headshot. Oh my god. What the hell? What the hell? Is this really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, thank you guys for watching me. Have a good day. See you later.